Food is the essence of life. We can't think of life without food. But modern marketing, increase in the number of lifestyle diseases have spoiled our relationship with food. My goal with this program is to put your faith in food back again, to improve your relationship with food. Make it fun, make it enjoyable, and yet keep the nutrition on. Hi, this is Nidhi Mohan Kamal. I'm a food scientist, nutritionist, and a certified fitness trainer. And with this series, I'll be teaching you tips and tricks you can use in your kitchen with everyday food items that are available locally to build that muscle, lose that fat, stay healthy, eat nutritious food, and yet enjoy your food. So get on this exciting journey with me, learn from me, cook with me, stock your kitchens with me, and by the end of this series, you will know what exactly to eat in a desi way to build those muscles. So see you.